controller continuously displays the status of various features. If you watch it for a few minutes, the screen will typically display things like cooler number 1, 40 degrees, door heaters off, refrigeration on, the time and date, etc. The cooler temperature shows the temperature as measured by CoolTrol's ambient air temperature sensor. It should be fairly consistent throughout the day and should usually be no more than 4 or 5 degrees above the cooler's set point, unless the cooler is shut down or in defrost, or if you are loading the cooler or just have the door open. The compressor percentage indicates the percentage of the past 24 hours that the CoolTrol has been calling for refrigeration. For most coolers, this may vary anywhere between 20 and 60%, depending on the type of equipment, the season, and climate. If the percentage starts rising or is unusually high, it may be a sign that your refrigeration equipment needs maintenance. If you have an outside air system in your cooler, the display will show you the outside temperature. Door heater percentage indicates the amount of heat applied at the door frames on glass display doors to prevent condensation. Cooler off indicates that the cooler is turned off because someone has pressed the red cooler shutdown button. Refrigeration on means that the CoolTrol has energized the circuit that turns on the refrigeration, such as the compressor or liquid line solenoid valve. Fans on means that the evaporator fans inside the cooler are turned on. Cooler in defrost indicates that CoolTrol has put the cooler into a defrost cycle. The temperature may rise a few degrees for a short while until the defrost cycle is over. Free cooling on. If you have an outside air economizer, this indicates that the outside air economizers are turned on. Because each CoolTrol system is custom built to suit your particular equipment, you may have slightly different status messages than those displayed here. All of them are fairly self-explanatory.